everyone. So today we are going to see the demonstration of a quick lab, Cloud Natural Language API Quick Start. Before starting the lab, let's see the overview of this lab. As you all know, Cloud Natural Language API lets you extract information about people, places, events, and more mentioned in text documents, news articles, or blog posts. You can use it to understand sentiment about your products on social media or parse intent from customer conversations happening in a call center or a messaging app. You can even upload text document for further analysis in this API. Here are some of the features of this Cloud Natural API, which includes syntax analysis, entity recognition, sentiment analysis, content classification, multi-language, integrated REST API. You can go through this information once so that for a better understanding of yourself. Now let's move to the setup part. And as per instructed, let's start the lab. I will use monthly subscription to access this lab. Okay, as per the given instructions, we have activated the Cloud Shell here. As you all know, as soon as you activate the Cloud Shell, you have to run the two commands. The first one is the gcloud auth list, and the second one is the gcloud config list project. With the first one, you can lease the active account with the Cloud Shell, and with the second one, you can lease the project ID. Let's run the first command. Now we'll run the second command. Okay, here we have to create an API key for this particular API. So let's run this command first. Then we'll create a new service account to access this natural language API using the given command. Paste it here. Yeah, we have successfully created a new service account, that is my netlang-sa. Now we'll create the credentials for login into this API service account. Yeah, we have created the new JSON key for login into our service account. Now we have to export this. Let's check our progress. Now let's make move to the next step where we have to make entity analysis request to this API. We will do this using the SSH. For this, will first move to the VM instances. For this, let's access the navigation menu, then compute engine, and then VM instances. Yeah, so let's start the SSH, which is secure shell for this Linux instance. In this SSH, we'll try our natural language API using this example, which is given here. We'll test a natural language API with the given sentence. Okay, so let's copy this one and paste it in our SSH. Okay, it's done, I guess. Yeah, let's check our progress. Yes, it is successful. Now let's check the result.json file. As you can see, we have successfully got the analysis of that particular sentence. These are some of the metadata given over here about that sentence. Yeah, we got the same response as given in the example here. We can read that response as the entity name and type is given, the metadata about the Wikipedia URL is given over there. See, you can see here metadata about the Wikipedia URL, and also the name and event is given over here. Yeah. So yeah, in this way we have successfully completed this lab. As you can see, we have got the score as 100 on 100. So yeah, we can end this lab. Thank you.